pinuno. Isa yang totoong sirena.
He was her knight in shining armor centuries ago.
Ang mundo na tinitirhan ng tao at sirena, malinaw na magkaiba.
A few lifetimes after, fate has something new in store.
Ano ka ba? Sino ka? Bakit ka nandito?
Heart of Asia presents the epic tale of love between a human and a mermaid.
Red pa yung ilaw. Bawal tumawid. Kakaiba ka, ha? O ano yan? Marunong ka palang umiti.
Starring two of the biggest K-drama superstars, Lee Min-ho and Jung Hee-yoon. The Legend of the Blue Sea, this December 31 on Heart of Asia.